Hello everybody. Now we are going to write a Python program to check whether a given string is a palindrome or not. What is palindrome? Palindrome is a string whose reverse string is same as that of original string. Is known as palindrome. Malayalam is a palindrome. When we read from back, it is also Malayalam. Now we are going to write Python program to check whether a given string is a palindrome or not. Each and every character has one index in Python. The index starts from 0. In this case, last index equal to 8. To write a generalized program, how to calculate last index? There is a method len using which we can calculate what is the length of the string. The length of the string represents number of characters in a string. Since index starts from 0, last index equal to 8. Total number of characters length is 9, last index is 8 because index starts from 0. The only language which having minus indexing property is Python. -1 represents the last character of a string. -2 represents second character from the end. -3 represents third character from the end. Every string has index. Index starts from 0. In Python also index starts from 0. The last index equal to length of the string -1. Here the length of the string is 9. Last index is 8. Using indexing and negative indexing, we are going to check whether the string is a palindrome or not. Now we are going to analyze how to check to prove a given string is palindrome. We have to check each and every nth character from the beginning with the nth character from end, if they are two equal or not. If all such characters are equal, then it is a palindrome. It is not necessary to check all the characters from the beginning with all the characters from end. It is enough to check till midpoint. Midpoint equal to length minus length divided by 2. In this case, we have to check 4 characters from beginning with the 4 characters from end. We have analyzed how to check whether a given string is a palindrome or not. And also we calculate what are the required parameters, required variables. Length, last index, first index and the weight of the character. We are going to introduce another variable is pally, which is a flag variable. Initially it is 1. If at the end of the program, if it is 1, then it is a palindrome. If it is not equal to 1, then it is not a palindrome. It is a flag variable initialized as 1. If it is 1, it is a palindrome. Otherwise, it is not a palindrome. To make the program more readable and understandable, I introduce 2 more variables. Next index from beginning and next index from end. Next index from the beginning equal to therefore first index. Next index from the end equal to last index. I introduced 2 more variables to make the program more readable and understandable. Now we are going to write Python program. Def check. Yes, check is a method which is exploiting a string. Here we consider the given string is a palindrome initially. For that we introduce is pally equal to 1. It is a flag variable. Initially we consider the given string is a palindrome. We have to find out number of characters. For that we are using len function, which gives number of characters in a string. Last index equal to L minus 1. First index equal to 0. Mid index equal to L by 2. Here we are going to check only half of the characters from the beginning with the half of the characters from end. So we introduce M, mid of the string. For more readable and understandable, I have introduced two more characters, two more variables. Next index from the beginning, next index from end. Next index from the beginning initially equal to 0. Next index from the end equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is the index of the last character. Here we are going to construct a loop, since we are going to repeat the checking of characters more than once. There are chances. While next index from the beginning less than m. Next index from the beginning initially 0. M is the mid of the string. The loop will be executed. Here we are going to, now we are going to check character by character from the beginning with the character by character from end. If S of next index from the beginning equal to S of next index from end, then we have to check next character. We have to move next character. Next index from beginning equal to next index from the beginning plus 1. We increase by 1. Next index from end equal to next index from end minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. If characters are equal, we are changing next index from beginning and also next index from end. If any two characters are different, we have to come out of the loop after saying is pally equal to 0 and break the loop. We come out of the loop after changing value is pally to 0. We have come out of the loop. Here we are going to check is pally value. If is pally equal to 1, then print palindrome. Else print not palindrome. This is the program to check whether a given string is a palindrome or not. Now we are going to test. Madam is the string. Index starts from 0 to 4. From back, the index starts from minus 1 to minus 5. My first character can be represented by minus 5. Now we are going to test. Next index from the beginning 0. Next index from the end minus 1. 0 and minus 1 characters. We are checking both of them are equal. Then we are increasing next index from the beginning by 1. Then we come to this point. Next index from the end equal to next index from the end minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. We come to here. We are checking these two characters. These two characters are equal. Then loop will be exit normally without altering is pally. So if is pally equal to 1, yes, then it is a palindrome. Suppose the character E, characters E, when we check these two characters, the condition fails and the else part will be executed. Here we are altering is pally equal to 0 and break and come to this part. Is pally equal to 1? No. Then it will write not a palindrome. I hope you all understand clearly.